hi. Hello everyone. So the thing is that the problem we were having is has got a solution now. So I tried taking a file from SCAP's internal generation profiles, and this is the thing. What I took was example cdt.gen file. Okay, I'll show it to you. Now, the thing that happens here is SCAPS has designed these files in order to demarcate the cell partitions, like from what position to what position is that part of a particular cell position. Like for example, just a second, let me load everything and I'll show you. So कहाँ चले गए? This is it. ओके ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. We will do this, do this, and just done. Good. 1.2 and the lights on. Start of a VOC. Quantum efficiency. ठीक है. And I won't do the test run right now. Okay. जितना करना था कर चुका. अभी we'll open SCAPS. ठीक है. Example CDT. This is a file I have been testing. Okay. एक ये फाइल सैम्पल के लिए है. बाकी the generation file which I have developed will be put in later on. But before that, I'll give you an example with the internal uh, file which is already present. Okay, we use this file. Okay, ठीक है. You see the values are over here, 29.5441, and okay, let's go to calculate. ये 0 वोल्ट पे फेलियर हो गया इसका. ठीक है ना. अब ये हो जाएगा थोड़ी देर में बंद. लाइक 3 2 1 बंद हो जा भाई. वेरी गुड. ठीक है, बंद. Now the reason I'll just show you. The problem is that depth range does not match your device. ठीक है. The thing is that my device is a thin solar cell and it was developed for a 10 micrometer thing. ठीक है. File goes from 0 to 10 micrometer. Your device at 1 micrometer is completely different thickness. एक तो ये चीज है. Now let me show you something. We will unload the file. इसको मान लो अगर मैं 700 नैनोमीटर ना रख के इसी को 10 माइक्रोमीटर कर दो एंटर. ठीक है. ठीक है, थिक सेल हो गया. ये मेरा पहले मानना था कि दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड इट विल गिव मी रिजल्ट एंड इट चेंज these things नहीं, एक ही चीज था, वो था थिकनेस एंड आई इंक्रीज द थिकनेस टू 10 नैनोमीटर माइक्रोमीटर. ओके, 1.2 lights on. Okay, okay, quantum efficiency. Okay, GH from file browse example cdt.gen. Okay, and here we go to calculate. ठीक है. अब यहाँ देखना. Over here there is no zero voltage phase convergence failure. ठीक है. When I saw this, I got really pumped up. Why? Because there was no convergence failure. But then at point of quantum efficiency calculation, this just failed, and this will again shut off. Why is this happening? Interestingly, thing is that there are zero value discontinuities at layer boundaries. Okay, line 114, 217, 320. ठीक है, line 114 है ना, ठीक है, this is line, look at over here. Okay, line 31 है, 114 पे जाना है ना, line 114, there is this zero value. अब in the middle of nowhere you have got a zero value. This is interesting. Next is 217. Okay, 114, 217, 000, ये zero. और जो लास्ट वाला है वो 320 है, which is the end of the cell. ठीक है, वो तो zero ही है. Now here comes the interesting part. What the thing is that these layer duplicate x values with zero sandwiched in. ठीक है, this is the CDT's file's way of marking layer interface. Scapes uses these as an internal markers for its own device definition. This is the main thing which I have been telling you. ठीक है, do I have something? Okay, I'll use the pen over here. हाँ, ठीक है, this is the CDT cell. ठीक है, ये 114 पे ये वाला मार्किंग है, ये 217 पे ये वाला मार्किंग है. So the CDT is divided into layer 1, then layer 2, and then layer 3. ठीक है, now here is the point. It is over here where x is equal to 0, and here is how the generation file should be. To be honest, I am not able to, what to say, put my emotions in words, but ठीक है, let's see. Now the third problem is the file was calculated for CDT and the specific generation profile is entirely different. ठीक है, मेरा समथिंग है, इसका समथिंग है, जनरेशन प्रोफाइल इसके लिए है. This has given me a solution which is something like this. ठीक है, how to fix this, make your own generation file. ठीक है, अब इसमें जो है ना, इसमें कोई जीरो वाला वैल्यू नहीं है. ठीक है, here is a working file for your 1 micrometer device. ठीक है, I am not sure if this will work or not, but let's see. We will make a file, control V, file, save as में जा करके D में ही इसको, ठीक है, डॉट जेन कर देते हैं, डॉट GEN डॉट जेन, एंड इट इज एन ऑल फाइल टाइप डॉट जेन सेव. ठीक है, what do we have here? उसको फिर कॉपी भी करना पड़ेगा ना, दूसरे सिस्टम. anyways back to D. ये था ना, we will copy this generation profile to your control V. This is something I am a little doubtful about, but let's see if Claude has given us the right code. Yeah, I am a bit doubtful. Not completely, I would say I have a little bit of trust, but um, throughout my experimentation with scabs, I learned that you cannot be sure of everything until and unless you've given a lot of time into this. एनीवेज ठीक है ओके हाँ वो एक माइक्रोमीटर दिया तो है वी कैन चेंज दैट टू माइक्रोमीटर लाइट दिस इज 1.2 ओके stop after VOC quantum efficiency calculation हाँ this is I guess should be what should be done um, let's see जनरेशन प्रोफाइल ये है ना ओके करो ये पक्का यही है ना ये जनरेशन हाँ ठीक है यही है चलो ठीक है चलो लेट्स सी these are some values which I am not able to what to say, comprehend but let's see calculate single shot ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम जीरो वोल्ट पे नो कन्वर्जेंस फेलियर क्वांटम एफिशिएंसी पे फेलियर हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है दैट इज द थिंग टू सी फेलियर ओके चल लेट्स सी देखते हैं आई विल मेक अ न्यू जनरेशन फाइल एंड कम बैक टू यू चलो